Bud's Cookhouse. Today we got a special one for you, courtesy of folks over at Spam. They sent us a can of their pumpkin spice spam that you've heard in the news lately. So they said, Uncle Bud, give it a taste, come with a recipe for it. So I said, sure, no problem. So I thought, what's the best way to use a spicy cinnamon clove-based meat product? Pancakes. Not just any pancakes, pumpkin pancakes. We'll take our spam, put it in a pumpkin batter, fry it up like a corn dog over oil over here. Got a little maple butter drizzle I've made up. We'll give it a taste. So let's get to it. Alright, let's start with the dry ingredients. So we have 2 cups of AP flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. We've already sifted that together. Now we got our spice mix, 1.5 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of a fresh ground nutmeg. You'll thank yourself on that if you use them fresh, always, with nutmeg. And 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger. Get that. We'll take our whisk here, get that incorporated. Now we'll start with our wet ingredients. 1.5 cups of cold milk. 1/2 cup of granulated white sugar. And yes, in this instance, sugars are considered part of the wet team. Got 1/2 cup of light brown sugar. We have a semi-melted 4 tablespoons of butter. 1 cup of pumpkin pie. Not actually pumpkin pie, my mistake. It's 1 cup of pumpkin. Get that in there. 1.5 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. And then 2 large eggs. 1 and 2. Now take our spatula, and we're just going to bring this together about 5 minutes just so it combines. You won't have little lumpy parts in it. It's okay. They'll work out when we pour it up. Alright, pancake batter is mixed up, and we're going to let it set for about 5 minutes. We are oiled just above 350, right at that fry point. Now we got our spam here, cut up. You see little flecks of the spices in there. So we're going to dunk our spam in our batter, put it off in the oil, fry it till it floats, about 3 or 4 minutes. Let it dry on our drying rack, put a little maple butter drizzle I made up. We'll be ready to eat. So want this just enough where it can dunk. Swirl it a little bit. Then gingerly scoosh it off in there, like so. Let's do another one. Good swirl, dunk it a couple times, get good adhesion. Completely off into oil. You can see that one's already floating up. Try to roll it a little bit. Get both sides. Give you few more seconds. All right, it's been about 4 minutes. I'll take these out. You can see they're floating, looking golden brown and delicious. Drain a little back in the pan. Some on our wire rack here. Paper towel underneath. Catch the excess drip. We'll let these cool for a few minutes. Let me give them a try. All right, all our Spam's cooked up. Got a nice presentable plate here. Got some of that maple butter drizzle I've been talking about all episode. I'm going to lightly allow this to complement what we've done here. You don't want too much. It's rather rich and it's very, very tasty. I'm going to cut one of these dudes and see how they taste. That looks pretty good. Spam's cooked all the way through. No raw batter. Got that drizzle. Let's give it a try. Man, that's like breakfast rolled into one. You get the pork from that Spam, you get a little bit of that maple on the backside, and a real nice, even pumpkin flavor from that pancake batter. And then there's just this nice smooth to the overall item. I like it. Do yourself a favor and get you a can. Try it out yourself. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell down in the corner. Comment below. Please let us know what you're thinking. If there's something you want us to see us try out, maybe something you didn't like, maybe a question about the way to do it yourself. We're all ears. See you next time.